I'm Michelle Hair, and in this video I'm going to be straightening my hair. You can tell people, yo, I'm recording, but they don't care. They just feel like they need to worship the Lord, and it just, you know, lots of singing goes on in this house. At the top of their lungs at any time in the day. I'm the worst. I've already gone ahead and blown out my hair, as you can see. You can actually go ahead and watch that video. I'll link it up above. You can watch that first and then come back and see this one. Totally up to you, but watch both of them, honey. You know, they're both important. I went and picked up the Infinity Pro Tourmaline Ceramic Flat Iron. So I literally bought it this morning. But I've actually used it before, and I liked the product. I have no idea where that flat iron went, but I knew it was a good flat iron. So I decided to buy it again, and it looks like this. It has, this is not the one that I had. The on and off button, the power light indicator, stainless steel finish. Cool. Tourmaline ceramic coated plate. It's a coated, so the inner part of the iron is still made of some kind of metal or something else, whereas I've seen a full ceramic stone flat iron, and that thing, I've used one on my hair actually. That thing gets my hair so nice. It's just, it's a different technology. I love it. Tourmaline is really good too, but that thing, it was like heaven to use. It wasn't mine, and it cost a lot of money. So yeah. Okay, so it's been a couple seconds. Yeah, this is, ooh, she heats up fast, girl. This is medium heat. That's pretty high for medium heat. It feels hot. You know what? Let me know what you guys have been using for your heat protectant down below, because I'm kind of looking for a really good quality heat protectant on medium heat. Medium heat. So before I go in with the flat iron, I make sure to thoroughly detangle my hair. Then I apply a gentle tension to my hair. I pull it taut. Then I firmly clasp the plates at my roots and glide it down the length of my hair, making sure not to stop at any point in particular, just to keep a very nice smooth rhythm and glide down the length of my hair. The gentle tension will also help with the stretching and the straightening of the hair. And I continue to do this to every section until I'm done. Honestly, this is not how flat iron hair should look. Like, it's nowhere near bone straight, honey. My roots are really nice though. Like, my roots are doing cute stuff. It feels soft, and the flow of it is really nice. But this is not it. And I'm tired. I've been at this for hours. So I just went ahead and applied the Melanin Hair Care Multi-Use Pure Oil Blend on my hair. It's a very light oil blend. I really wanted something that would weigh my hair down just a little bit, but not too much where it looks greasy. But I did apply a generous amount. My hair is so shiny. Oh, I'm loving this. I'm gonna put a little bit more of the Melanin Hair Care. This thing smells really, really good. I actually really love this oil. So I just decided to go ahead and run the flat iron really lightly and cautiously over some of the areas that I felt wasn't laying as smooth or as sleek as I wanted it to. I am not telling you to do this. I would not recommend that you do this. I am just letting you guys know what I did. This is what flat iron in my hair does. Like, why? Everybody else can get their hair so straight, not this girl. My hair is thick, it's coarse, unless I go on super high heat. But this is what my hair looks like. Flat iron. I don't get bone straight. I get, what is this? Halfway? Almost there, barely there. I get some people's blowouts look like this. Like, look at this. I don't know. Anyway, what am I gonna do now? Because I don't think I could get this any straighter without putting more heat on it. Like, this is it. Like, my roots are straight. Everywhere else is just like, the girl at the salon was able to get a straight, but she probably used some hella high heat on my hair. She probably was like going in with the heat because I'm on medium. I'm scared. Oh wow, that is actually really, really straight. Oh man, the addiction.
So yeah, I did go ahead and try this high heat. I am not by any means telling anybody to do this. Don't do this if you don't want to get that heat damage. But for me, I literally said to myself, listen, if you do this and you get heat damage, you are going to have to reap those consequences and learn how to do this hair with that heat damage. And I was okay with that, so I went ahead and did this, and girl, it came out cute. I mean, it came out really, really cute. I am in need of a really good trim. Not a trim. I need a cut. I am in need of a cut because I'm looking at these ends and I really need a cut. However, I did not want to cut it myself. I actually wanted someone to cut it for me bluntly in the back, but no one was available, so I wasn't able to get that done. However, when I do that in the future, I will make sure to get it filmed so you guys could see that process. So this is my hair after 3 weeks. I've literally just been applying the melanin hair care oil, whether it be in the morning or the night. I have not re-flat ironed my hair at all. It's still flowy, it's still bouncy, it's very shiny, it is dry. So it's definitely time for me to get in that shower and wash her. I will link the video to that above so you guys can see the process of how I go back to my curly hair. That's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.